Mira play shower is switched off but water is leaking at a fair rate from the inside, coming out of the bottom of the plastic cover. This started all of a sudden this morning. Can it be fixed? How and approx cost, or do I need a replacement shower?
Hi, my name is XXXXX. Let's see if we can get you sorted in the shortest possible time. It is a safety valve that is internal. If you give me the code off the label underneath, I can find the part number. It is an easy swap.
Hi Andrew, code number is XXXXX Gordon.
Turn the power off and take the cover off. You will see where the water is leaking from. This website has all the spares you could need. http://www.showerdoc.com/shower-spares/Mira/electric showers/Mira parent 14 Mira play.
Thanks Andrew. I have done as you suggested and come to the conclusion that the problem is the bracket which clamps the inlet assembly to the flow regulator assembly. The bracket had fallen apart, so I have ordered a new one. Thanks again. Gordon.
No problem. Come back again if you need me.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.